Why should Baxter Shipping be your only choice for relocation? Because we deliver premium, hassle-free moving experiences every single time.
At Baxter, we understand that every move is more than just boxes and furniture. It's about your memories, your comfort, and your peace of mind. That's why our expert team handles everything with care, precision, and professionalism. From using high-quality packing materials to custom crating for fragile and valuable items, we take every precaution to protect what matters most to you. We ensure safe loading and secure transportation using the right equipment and techniques. Your belongings travel with us safely, every mile of the journey. With Baxter Shipping, your move stays on schedule. Our team ensures timely delivery so you can settle into your new space without delays or stress. Once you arrive, we go the extra mile, unpacking boxes, assembling furniture, and setting up your home just the way you like it. We even provide handyman services to handle those final touches, making your transition completely hassle-free. At Baxter Shipping, we make sure every step of your move is seamless, organized, and stress-free, from start to finish.